Hey guys! I want to show you how to become an au pair or a host family with AuPairWorld. The very first step is to create a profile. Afterwards, you'll be able to search and find your first matches and contact them. If you get along well with one family or one au pair, you can sign an au pair contract, and then you're ready for your stay. But before you start, here's a little tip. The AuPairWorld website offers a huge amount of information and tips roundabout an au pair stay. On the info host countries, the au pair wiki or the help center, you can find the main information you need. In addition to that, our security section lets you know how to stay safe through the whole process. So now it's time for the first big step, creating a profile. You can register for free as an au pair or a host family. Start with your profile description and a personal text about yourself or your family, your experiences, your motivation, and your wishes. Then you should definitely upload some pictures, references, or even a video. Start with your search. View matching profiles displayed in your personal Easy Find. These search results are based on the search criteria defined during your registration. You can modify your criteria anytime to see more or fewer matches. Now you can choose one or more families or au pairs you want to start communicating with. Use our messaging system to send applications and messages to au pairs or host families who interest you. Host families need to become premium members to exchange personal messages with au pairs. Discuss your mutual expectations via Skype, email, or telephone. Get to know each other well and clarify all the important details. Such details include the au pair tasks, working hours, pocket money, holidays, travel costs, or the language course. All these points should be written down in the au pair contract, which both parties sign. This way, everyone is clear about their rights and obligations. After the final agreement is signed, it's time to prepare the stay. Host families and au pairs need to finish all the necessary documents like visa, health insurance, passport, language course, and the family handbook. Remember as well to exchange information about the date of arrival, flight or train number, and make arrangements for meeting the au pair. What are you waiting for? Register now and jump into your au pair adventure. If you have any questions or problems, you can always contact our support team. We're happy to help you.